Hello friends, welcome to Goodheart. Today I am harvesting some flowers to bring down to the Worcester Farmers Market, and I am near some calendula, some beautiful calendula that needs to be deadheaded. So I'm just going to show you a super simple way to keep your flowers blooming for longer, and so let's turn the camera over and I will show you now. So calendula is one of my favorite flowers. It is great for making salves and for just brightening up the house, and it will bloom all season long. Here we have two different varieties. This is Rosina calendula, and then this is strawberry blonde calendula. Now, to keep them blooming all season, what we do is called deadheading. So you can see this one is starting to go to seed, and all you do is clip it off. And when you clip off flowers that are going to seed, then you basically just tell the plant to keep putting its energy into making new blooms instead of going to seed. So here, let's see, here's a seed head right here. And if you let that go, the plant would start putting more of its energy into producing seed rather than putting it into producing more flowers. So that's it. Go out, deadhead your flower beds, and you will have more blooms all summer long.